Welcome to Phonics Room! How are you today? Better than good. I'm great. Just fine. Alright, so make sure everybody be happy. No one is sad because today is a happy day, okay? We're going to learn the consonant sound from the alphabet. So let's sing out loud our alphabet song.
The alphabet is filled with consonants and vowels. We write them, we read them. Each letter makes a sound. Well, we start with A, B, C. We go all the way to Z. The letters of the alphabet are fun for you and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? We start with ABC and we go all the way to C. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? We start with ABC and we go all the way to C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Each letter makes a sound. Let's sound them out now. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Each letter makes a sound. Let's sound them out now.
Very good, everyone. And now we are going to learn about the consonant sound from the word T. Says ta, ta, ta. One more time. T. Says ta, ta, ta. Very good. And we have another consonant. V. Says v, v, v. V. Says v, v, v. Excellent. Let's sing more phonic sound in the our beloved phonic song. Okay?
Tiger on tiptoes. Tiger on tiptoes, t t t. Tiger on tiptoes, t t t. Tiger on tiptoes, t t t. T is the sound of T. V. Violent volcanoes. Violent volcanoes, v, v, v. Violent volcanoes, v, v, v. Violent volcanoes, v, v, v. V is the sound of V.
Wow, that's very good. So, children, we have two consonant letter for today. The number one is T. Says ta, 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 ta. In the word tea, tea. Your mom and dad usually drink the tea, lemon tea, 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 tea. And our body, we have bottom and top, 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 top. Okay, top, top, and go to the bottom. Go to the top, top, top. Okay. Usually, top is higher than the bottom. And we have another one is take, take. I take your candy. Oh, okay. You take my lollipop. Okay, like that. And the word, another word for T says ta ta is tube, tube, tune, tune. When you're singing, you use the melody and do re mi fa sol la ti do, and those are tune, tune. So we are going to move on to the sound of V says v in voice, voice. Your voice. When you're singing, you use your voice. When you speak, you use your voice. When somebody asking you, "Hi, what's your name?" and then you are going to answer, use your nice voice. Okay, nice voice. Clear, not too loud, not too soft, but it's very nice. Okay, voice. And another word for V says is vase. Vase. Vase means the place, the pot, pot for the flowers. But it looks so pretty, beautiful. We call it vase. Okay. And another word is vest. Vest. Usually, the parking man wearing the vest, the orange vest or the green vest, yeah, to cover their body. Or the policeman, you usually wear their vest to cover their body from the weapon. So that's it for today. The sound of T says ta ta ta, and F says the. Alright, thank you so much for listening to me, for learning the phonics with me. I'll see you later. Be happy, stay healthy. Bye.